Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to copy the link of a listing on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and copy the link of a listing on eBay so that you can send it to your friends and family. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the eBay app, and then next what you're going to do here is that you're going to open up the item that you want to go ahead and share. So we're just going to open up this Pokemon card here. Now in the upper right hand side, you want to click on the icon that has an arrow. It's right next to the shopping icon, and then you want to click on copy link. So once you've done so, you're going to see a prompt that says link has been copied. So if we open up our notepad, you can see here that if we erase this and then paste, that is the link that leads to that eBay listing. So if we click on this link, it's going to open us up at eBay, and this is the same exact link. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and copy the link of a listing on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.